Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Muhammad Sufyan and you're watching Information by Sufyan channel. Friends, today we're not going to talk about any wonders of the world. Today we are going to talk about the largest and the deepest ocean in the world, which is known as Pacific Ocean. But before starting the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Friends, have you ever wondered what lies beneath the surface of the largest ocean on Earth? Welcome to the vast and mysterious Pacific Ocean, a world of wonders, history, and power that shapes our entire planet. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on Earth, covering about 63 million square miles. That's nearly 1/3 of the planet's surface. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south, and from Asia and Australia in the west to the Americas in east. The name Pacific was given by a Portuguese explorer, Ferdinand Magellan, in 1521. Who called it calm appearance during this journey. But don't be fooled. This ocean hides massive storms, earthquakes, and volcanoes under its surface. The Pacific Ocean is home to notorious Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped area with more than 75% of the world's active volcanoes and frequent earthquakes. This is due to intense tectonic activity beneath its seabed. A reminder of how powerful and dangerous nature can be. The Pacific is scattered with over 25,000 islands, more than any other ocean. Some of the most famous ones include Hawaii, Fiji, Tahiti, and Papua New Guinea. Its warm, tropical waters host incredibly biodiversity. From coral reefs to giant whales and deep-sea creatures still unknown to science. This ocean isn't just about nature. It's also a major player in global trade, connecting Asia, Australia, and the Americas. Some of the busiest ports in the world like Shanghai, Los Angeles, and Tokyo rely heavily on Pacific routes. Even today, large parts of the Pacific Ocean remains unexplored. The Mariana Trench, located in the western Pacific, is the deepest point on Earth, going down nearly 11,000 meters deeper than Mount Everest is tall. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Let's meet in another video. Allah Hafiz.